Good morning everyone, this is Samiksha of class 10. Today I am going to tell you two stories about flying. The chapter 2 stories about flying features two tales. His first flight by Liam Flaherty and The Black Aeroplane by Frederick Fawcett that explore the theme of courage, self-belief and overcoming fear in the face of daunting challenges. The first story is his first flight. This story is about a young seagull who is terrified of flying. His two brother and sister have already made their first flight, but he can't muster the courage, fearing his wings will not support him. His parents scolded him, taunted him for his cowardice, and threatened to leave him starve on the isolated ledge unless he flies away. Starving and desperate after 24 hours, he is sitting on the ledge when he sees his mother is flying towards him with a piece of fish in her beak. Driven by hunger, he cries out for food. His mother, in an effort to push him to fly, hovers just out of his reach. Maddened by hunger, the young seagull forgets his fear and dives at the fish. The next moment, he falls outward into the space. A monstrous terror seizes him, but then instinctively his wings spread outward, and he began to fly. His family members scream in joy and celebrate his first flight, soaring and diving around him. He successfully overcomes his fear and discovers his natural ability to fly. The second story is The Black Aeroplane. This is a mysterious tale about a pilot flying his old Dakota aeroplane from Paris to England at night. The sky is clear and he dreams of his family and a hearty English breakfast. Everything's going well until he encounters a massive black storm clouds. He decides to risk flying straight through them to get home faster. Once inside the storm, everything turns pitch black, and his compass and the other instruments stop working, and he loses control of the plane, and the radio also goes dead, and he is hopelessly lost. When he loses all his hope, he sees another black aeroplane with no lights on its wings, and the pilot of the other plane waves at him and signals him to follow. And with no other option and very little fuel left, he blindly follows the mysterious plane. The unknown pilot guides him safely out of the storm and towards a runway. And after landing, the pilot rushes to the control tower to thank his helper. But there was only a woman who told him that there was no other plane in the sky that night besides his own. The identity of the mysterious plane and the pilot remains an unsolved mystery. Both stories teach the universal lesson of courage, self-belief, and the power of taking first leap are necessary for life's challenges and personal growth. Thank you and have a nice day.